Linking tables in Airtable allows you to create relationships between different sets of data, making it easier to manage complex information. Here's how to link tables in Airtable. Create multiple tables. Start by creating 2 or more tables in your Airtable base. For example, you could have a projects table and an employees table. Add a linked record field. In the table where you want to establish a relationship, add a new field by clicking the plus button next to your columns. Select linked record as the field type. Choose the table you want to link to. Airtable will create a new field that allows you to link records from the other table. Link records. Once the linked record field is created, you can link records from the second table. For example, in the projects table, you can select which employee are working on each project. You can link to multiple records or just one. View linked data. When you click a linked record, you can see all related information from the link table. You can also choose to display specific fields from the link table in the original table.